Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where today we're diving into the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro gaming keyboard. This keyboard has been making waves in the gaming community for its cutting-edge features and customization options. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The Razer Huntsman V3 Pro is designed for serious gamers who demand precision and performance. It features Razer's second-generation analog optical switches, which allow you to adjust the actuation point from a standard 1.5mm up to an ultra-sensitive 0.1mm. This means you can customize how quickly each key responds to your touch, giving you a competitive edge in fast-paced games. In terms of design, the Huntsman V3 Pro sports a sleek matte black finish with a brushed aluminum faceplate, giving it a premium look and feel. It's a full-size keyboard with dedicated media controls and a multi-function digital dial for quick adjustments. The keys themselves are Razer's opto-mechanical switches, which are known for their durability and responsiveness. What sets this keyboard apart is its customization options. It comes with Razer Synapse software that allows you to remap keys, create macros, and even adjust RGB lighting effects. There's also an onboard LED panel for quick adjustments to actuation and rapid trigger sensitivity without needing to dive into software menus. This makes it incredibly versatile for different gaming scenarios. In terms of performance, the Huntsman V3 Pro delivers. Whether you're playing FPS games that require rapid fire or strategy games where precision is key, the customizable actuation and rapid trigger mode make a noticeable difference. The keys are responsive and offer a satisfying tactile feedback, though they can be a bit noisy during intense gaming sessions. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The wrist rest, while included, has a weak magnet attachment that doesn't always stay in place, which can be frustrating during gameplay. The Razer Synapse software, while powerful, has been reported to be a bit buggy at times, which might be a concern for some users. To wrap it up, the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro is a top-tier gaming keyboard packed with features that cater to serious gamers. From its customizable switches to its intuitive onboard controls, it's designed to enhance your gaming experience. However, its premium price tag and some minor design quirks may not appeal to everyone. Overall, if you're looking for a gaming keyboard that offers unparalleled customization and performance, the Razer Huntsman V3 Pro is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to invest in quality and versatility. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product critiques. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.